Glock 嘅accessory 嘅，咁啊揾到我哋佢嘅老闆Lenny
Okay.
Yeah,
Hi, Lenny.
I'm Lenny Magill with Glock Store. We've got the world's largest selection of Glock products and accessories. We've got stainless steel guide rods, tungsten guide rods. We've also got a reset trigger. Now watch this. When I shoot, every time I pull the trigger, a laser beam comes out. So that it allows you to get a lot of trigger time in your home to practice to become an expert shooter. So visit us at Glockstore.com.
Yeah, that's excellent. Yeah, let's show the store.
Yeah. Oh, they have one of the busiest booth in the whole shot show.
All right, sir.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.